In this lesson, you will learn useful ways to talk about pain in English. You will understand how to explain where it hurts, how strong the pain is, and how to describe it in different ways. These phrases will help you speak clearly when you feel discomfort or need to tell someone about your pain. The most common way to describe pain in English is by saying, "It hurts." This phrase is simple and direct. You can use it when something causes pain anywhere on your body. For example, you can point to the painful area and say, "It hurts here." This is very natural and easy for everyone to understand. Another natural way to talk about pain is by saying, "I have a pain." You usually follow it with the location of the pain. For example, "I have a pain in my stomach." This form sounds a little more formal and gives more information about where the pain is. It helps someone, like a doctor, understand you more clearly. You can also describe pain using the phrase, "My body part is sore." This means that part of your body feels tender or uncomfortable, often after doing exercise or being sick. For example, you can say, "My legs are sore," or "My throat is sore." This expression is often used when the pain is not very strong but you still feel discomfort. Different phrases fit different situations. Use "it hurts" when you want to describe pain quickly and simply. Use "I have a pain" when you want to sound clear and polite, especially when speaking to a doctor. Use "my body part is sore" when the pain is not sharp but more like tiredness or muscle discomfort. Choose the one that matches how you feel. You can change these expressions by using different body parts. For example, "It hurts when I walk" shows you feel pain while moving. "I have a pain in my back" means the pain is in a specific area. "My shoulders are sore" means the muscles feel uncomfortable. Try making your own examples by naming other body parts. If you see someone who looks uncomfortable, you can ask polite questions about their pain. You can say, "Does it hurt?" to show concern. You can also ask, "Where does it hurt?" to know the location of the pain. Another helpful question is, "How bad is the pain?" to understand how strong it feels. These questions sound natural and caring. To make your description clear, you can add words that describe the type or strength of pain. For example, say, "It is a sharp pain" when it feels sudden and strong. Say, "It is a dull pain" when the pain is constant but not very strong. You can also say, "It is a mild pain" for small discomfort, or "It is a severe pain" for very strong pain. Here are some more natural ways to talk about pain. You can say, "I feel pain in my neck" or "My head hurts." You can also say, "I am in pain" to show that something really hurts. If you feel a steady kind of discomfort, you can say, "It is aching." And when something feels very painful, you can say, "It is very painful." These expressions will help you sound more fluent. Let's review what you have learned. You can say, "It hurts" for simple, direct pain. You can say, "I have a pain in" followed by a body part to be more specific. You can say, "My body part is sore" for mild muscle pain or tiredness. You can say, "It is a sharp or dull pain" to describe what kind of pain it is. Practice these phrases often so you can explain how you feel clearly and naturally.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.